Hello everyone, it's Luke Gribben, Business Development Manager here at Integritas. We're back for another fantastic update. This time we're at Cavendish Waters in Liverpool. Just a quick reminder of what we're building here. Cavendish Waters consists of 70 luxury apartments with a mixture of 1, 2 and 3 bedrooms, all very spacious, right by the Liverpool Leeds Canal. Since our last update, the site has been cleared and we're now 40% of the way through the excavation works, with the remaining excavation due to complete within the next 4 weeks. Next step is the sacrificial piles. Following this, we will then establish the correct height for the transfer slab, and then the groundworks for the concrete slab will then commence. As always, we like to keep you up to date with the latest market news. Government agency Homes England agrees to invest £55 million into Central Docks in Liverpool to kickstart development of a new park and 2,350 homes. On Monday last week, new UK Chancellor of the Exchequer Rachel Reeves talked about urgent action on planning reform to rebuild Britain. She made brief reference to Central Docks in Liverpool and how it was a key development site. Property giant Peel, owner of Liverpool Waters, believes this could unlock £500 million of new private sector investment. State funding for this site is subject to final approval from HM Treasury. So this large investment shows how Liverpool is growing rapidly, with investment arriving from across the world. That's it from us here today at Cavendish Waters. As you can see, plenty of progress has happened across the past 4 weeks. I'm really looking forward to updating you next time.